Hello everyone, and welcome back to the English for Beginners podcast. My name is Erin, and I am so excited that you are here with me today. This is day 8 of our 30-day Shadowing English Speaking Challenge, and I promise you're going to enjoy every moment. Did you have fun in the last episode? Did you learn something new? Remember, every single day, we are building small but powerful habits that will help you speak English more confidently. Learning English is not about perfection. It's about practice, consistency, and enjoying the journey. Even just 10 minutes a day can make a real difference. You don't need to study for hours or memorize hundreds of words at once. What matters is showing up every day. Short daily practice creates real progress, and slowly English becomes a natural part of your life. Before we start today, I want to know, where are you joining from? Are you at home, in your school, on the bus, or maybe at work? Is it India, Thailand, Brazil, Colombia, or somewhere else in the world? This is a truly global community of learners, and it's amazing to have you here. Today, I have something special for you. 15 powerful mindset sentences. Why mindset? Because your thoughts, beliefs, and attitude can motivate you to keep going. If you believe you can learn English, you absolutely will. In this episode, we will practice together. First, listen carefully, then repeat out loud with me. Speak clearly, confidently, no whispering. Each sentence will be repeated 3 times. You can also follow along with your eyes, reading the highlighted words as you practice. Take a deep breath, relax, and remember, you are doing great. Are you ready? Sorry, I couldn't hear you. Shall we begin? Awesome. Let's go. I am improving my English every single day. I am improving my English every single day. I am improving my English every single day. Fantastic! Speak out loud with me. Practice gives me progress. Practice gives me progress. Practice gives me progress. Great job! Listen and speak with me. I don't have to be perfect. I just have to keep trying. I don't have to be perfect. I just have to keep trying. I don't have to be perfect. I just have to keep trying. Amazing! Step by step, I am moving forward. Step by step, I am moving forward. Step by step, I am moving forward. Brilliant! Say it with me. I enjoy learning English every day. I enjoy learning English every day. I enjoy learning English every day. Nice work! I can speak English with courage. I can speak English with courage. I can speak English with courage. Excellent! Each day, I get better at English. Each day, I get better at English. Each day, I get better at English. Great! Mistakes are my teachers. Mistakes are my teachers. Mistakes are my teachers. Awesome! I am confident when I speak English. I am confident when I speak English. I am confident when I speak English. Brilliant! I understand more and more every day. I understand more and more every day. I understand more and more every day. Amazing! I believe in my English journey. I believe in my English journey. I believe in my English journey. Wonderful! Learning English makes me happy. Learning English makes me happy. Learning English makes me happy. Great! I practice English step by step. I practice English step by step. I practice English step by step. I speak English clearly and naturally. I speak English clearly and naturally. I speak English clearly and naturally. I will achieve my English goals. I will achieve my English goals. I will achieve my English goals. Wow, excellent work today. You showed up, you practiced, and that is the most important step. Always remember, learning English is not about being perfect. It's about being consistent. Every single time you speak out loud, you are building confidence. Every sentence you repeat is bringing you closer to fluency. And yes, mistakes will happen. But don't worry, mistakes are part of the process. That's how real learning happens. Be patient with yourself. Be gentle with yourself. And most of all, keep going. This is only day 8 of our 30-day challenge, and already you are stronger, more confident, and more focused. Just imagine where you will be on day 30 if you continue practicing a little every single day. I believe in you, and I hope you believe in yourself too. Keep practicing, keep smiling, keep speaking out loud with courage and confidence. See you in the next episode. You are doing incredible, and I am truly proud of you.